Hello guys, welcome to another video. So ngayon new update sa CPM1. What is the update? Let's see. Okay. New car. So may dalawa pang hindi. The island location is updated and completely. Visual remark of broken car window. My car window na broken na. Gift and treasure location has been adjusted. More vehicles now. Features and mirror doors. Hoods and trunks. Oh my god. Let's tignan natin yung bagong one. Let's see. So guys, coins yun. Let's see. Asan yun? Hey, oh, wala na. Ito! The new car. Ganda naman. Wala tayo nun. Tingnan natin lahat kung mayroon ng open hood na sila. So lang gagawin natin for today's video. So guys, check na itong latest update. January 30 lang. Yung isang araw lang yun. And kung medyo na video, mag-like and subscribe naman kayo. And bye bye!